In this video we are going to see about the margin report in eVitalRx. So how you can check the margin reports. For that you go in more option, then reports, then the heading is margin reports. So here you get three reports: item wise margin report, bill item wise margin report, and purchase analysis report. So we'll check the report one by one. So let's go to item wise margin report. So item wise margin report, here once you open, so you need to select the date for which you want to see the data. So for example, I select the date ranges previous month. Then what is the report type, whether it is about sales return, B2B sales, B2B return. So let's say I want to check about the sales. Now you select the sales and you click on go. So what this be report shows you that what is the margin that you have made by selling those products, or what is the quantity you have sold of that items in that particular month. So it would give you the report on the item level. Okay, for example, here in the columns you can see the product name, the category of that product, the unit or packing of that product, manufacturer, sales of that product, stock, current stock of that product, MRP, what is the sales amount, what was your purchase amount, net GST, and how much. You can see first it would show you the profit in percent in rupees, and in the bracket you can see the percentage in the profit. So for example, this Ocasset tablet, I have sold 5 quantity in last month. This is the sales amount and I have made this much of profit. So this would show you the idea on the item level, that which items are getting how much sold and how much margins you make. Now for example, if I want to filter something on the basis of item, like if you want to see the sale of Telma D tablet, right? So I can just simply type the product name here. So it would show what was the sales of this item in that particular date range. Now let's say for example, if I want to see the sales of particular manufacturer, so I can simply write this. I can go to more, then select the manufacturer, Cipla Limited, apply filters and click again on go. So you can see this is the total sales of the Cipla. Here you can get the total sales amount, total purchase amount, net GST, and how much profit percentage you have made. Now if you want to filter that through the category also, so for same option you can go to category, you can select the category, apply filters and click on go. So whatever the items of that particular category are sold, so that would be shown into the report. Now let's move to our next report, that is the bill item wise margin report. For that you go to margin reports, then bill item wise margin report. Once you open the report, you have to select the date range for which you want to see the report. So let's say I want to see the report for previous month, so I'll just select the date range, then the report type as sales, and then I'll click on go. So this info, this bill item wise margin report will have information on the bill level, like who made this bill, how much profit on that particular invoice it was made, or how much that patient has bought the medicine in last in the particular date range that we have selected. So that can be filtered out. So for example, what columns are available in the report, so you can see first you can see entry by, so which staff has made the bill, it would show here. You can see in the bill, in the next column is the bill number, then you can see the bill date, patient name, item name, category, unit, manufacturer name, sales quantity, stock, MRP, if there are any loyalty points of that patient, then the sales amount, if you have given discount, so it will show the sales amount, purchase, what is the purchase price of that item, net GST, and how much profit you have made. So first it would show in the rupees, and in the bracket you can see the profit percentage. Now if you want to filter that like which item has been sold, so let's say for example I want to see of Telma tablet, so you can type in the search here as Telma. It would show this product, that Telma, how much it has been sold. Secondly, there are other filters also, like to search through the patient name, so I can see that how much this patient has took the medicine. So I can just type Hamid and click on here. So it would show how much medicine Hamid has bought this particular date range, you can see. You can same way you can search through the mobile number also. Now if you want to see of a particular staff how much he has made, so for that you go to more option, you can select the staff and then click on apply filter and then click on go, so it would show that which staff has done how much billing. Same way if you want to select the category, like which category how much sales has been done, so you can just select the category here, apply and click on go, so it would show you the data in which the sales has happened. Now let's check about the purchase analysis report. So this purchase analysis report give you an idea like if there are any changes in margin when you bought or purchase from the distributor. So for example, previously for few items you are for an item you are getting the average margin of your last 3 purchase was 20%. Now you entered the purchase and you got let's say 18% margin or 22% margin. So in this report you will be able to see those kind of product if there is MRP, there is a margin fluctuations. So you can see if I select the date range here today, I can click on go, so the report has been generated. So the columns that in the report are the bill date, bill number, the distributor name from where this purchase was made, item name, quantity, MRP, what is the PTR, what is the margin that you have got from the distributor, margin different in percentage, that how much percentage is there, margin percentage, margin difference in rupees, and in the last column you can see the average margin. So here you can see the average margin is 46.15% and the current margin that I have received is 59%, 0.62. So there is an increase of margin of 13.47%. So you can have an idea here if the margin has been decreased. So let's say in the same purchase if I got let's say 40% margin, so it would show that you have the margin has been lost by 6%. So the data would be shown here in the report.